Hi guys, this is Gail with Gail's Southern Living. Today I'm going to make applesauce muffins. Okay, so my mom gave me some applesauce in cans and I didn't really know what to do with it. I wasn't in the mood to eat it just by itself. So I decided I was going to make applesauce muffins, so I looked up a recipe on YouTube and I found one. And so I'm going to do 2 cups of applesauce. The little bloopers of life. I thought I had this on right and I thought I tested it, but sure enough I didn't. Okay. Sauce out of the container. See if I can do that without being too loud. Okay. That's enough out of there. Okay. I'm going to do 4 cups of flour. I already have it measured out. There's 1. There's 2. And there's 2 in this one, so this makes 4. So 4 cups of flour. That thing's just going to keep coming off, isn't it? That's just how it goes sometimes. So I broke my tripod, so if this is at kind of a weird angle, it's the best I can do. So, let's see what else we got. We need 2 cups of sugar. I'm going to use the same one that I used for the flour for 2 cups of sugar. There's 1, 2. I'll put a little bit more because I didn't get those all the way full, so a little bit more than, but it's really 2, it just didn't get to the top. Okay, it asks for a teaspoon of cinnamon. I'm actually going to do 3 because I want it to be more like apple cinnamon. So I'm going to do 1, 2, 3. I figured that'll give it the flavor that it needs. So, okay, I need a teaspoon of salt. And a teaspoon of baking soda. And it calls for vanilla. So it calls for 1, but I'm going to do 2. I usually do a little extra. I like vanilla and cinnamon personally. So there's 1, 2, and then 2 eggs. Okay, let me call out the recipe. 4 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 2 eggs, 2 cups of applesauce, 1 cup of melted butter. Look at there, we almost forgot the melted butter. We gotta have the butter. Must have butter. Okay, 2 cups of butter. 1 cup of butter, sorry. 1 cup of butter, which is 1 stick of butter. I did 2 teaspoons of vanilla, but you could just do 1. I did 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, but you could just do 1 on that. 1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1 teaspoon of salt. Okay guys, it's looking really good. It's nice and blended perfectly. The melted butter makes it so much easier on the mixer. So I need to really start doing that from now on. So I will bring you back and show you what it looks like after it's done and do a taste test. Okay guys, I forgot to tell you, bake at 350 for 15 minutes. When I get the actual baking time that I had to use, I will add that in the description box. I had purchased these muffin cups at Dollar Tree for 25 cents for 50. So nice and springy looking, so I thought they were cute. So I thought I would add that in, and I will put the details in the description. Alright guys, here is the end result. This is half of the muffins, the other half is in the oven. So this made 2 dozen muffins. This would be great for a crowd. You could also bag these up and freeze them. So let's give one a try. I've never made this recipe before. It's brand new. So let's see how it came out. I really, really like it. It's really good. It reminds me a lot of zucchini bread, and I believe it would be great with walnuts or pecans in it. But it is perfectly good the way it is. So I'm going to go bag some of these up and take them to hubby at the job. He will be so excited to get hot, warm muffins at work. So you guys have a great day. I hope you try this recipe. It will be in the description box. Bye, guys.